12 free porch swing plans. This free porch swing plan will give you everything you need so you can build a beautiful porch swing. It has an extra high back to make it super comfortable. Included in the porch swing plan are illustrations, diagrams, written directions, materials and tools list, cut list, finishing instructions, and color photos of the finished project. Ashley Phipps from Simply Designing has come with this beautiful DIY porch swing plan that's casual but at the same time beautiful to look at. The plan includes color photos, a supply list, step-by-step directions, diagrams, and finishing suggestions. This free plan isn't only for a porch swing but also for a stand. This means that you can build this beauty and put it anywhere you want. You'll find full-size templates, building diagrams, parts list, detailed written instructions, and color pictures included in this free porch swing plan. Included are instructions on how to make wooden screw plugs to finish up your project. Here's a free porch swing plan for a very classic-looking swing that would look great on your front porch. Diagrams, color photos, materials list, and instructions are all included in this free porch swing plan. With 2 pallets, rope, paint, and some basic tools you can make this outdoor pallet swing that's going to look great anywhere in your yard. Making it even sweeter, you can make this for around $30. There's a tool list, materials list, written directions, and photos to help you complete this beginner-friendly project. Beautiful Mess has a DIY porch swing plan that uses primarily 2x vase to create a classic-looking swing that would look great on any porch. A supply list, tool list, diagram, color photos, and building instructions are all included in the free plan. This is a fairly simple to complete porch swing plan that is perfect for the beginner. The final product will certainly hide the fact of just how easy it was to build. A hardware list, cut list, directions, photos, and user comments will help you complete this project with ease. Jamie Castiglio has designed this DIY porch swing plan that's a hanging bench built out of cedar. There's a free PDF of this plan that includes a supply list, cut list, diagrams, and building instructions. You'll be able to use this porch swing plan to make your family a swing in a single weekend. Use cedar, redwood, or pine to create this weather-resistant piece of art. You'll find a materials list, tools list, diagrams, written instructions, and tips on staining all in this free porch swing plan. Build this porch swing and it will only take you around 5 hours and $40. Now that's a nice trade-off. This is an excellent free porch swing plan that includes a PDF file with step-by-step directions and diagrams. There's also a video that will take you through the whole building process. This high-back porch swing plan from Sunset Magazine connects to a porch or branch from rope or hemp that is tied into the arms. Download this free porch swing plan and you'll get a materials list, color photos, diagrams, written instructions, and valuable building tips. Here's a free plan from DIY Network that will show you how to build a custom porch swing, just the length you want. This is a more difficult project that will build you a rustic swing as well as the frame. The step-by-step directions will guide you through determining the size of the bench, designing the seat and seat back, cutting the lumber, assembling the frame, filling everything in, and then attaching the hardware. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.